Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You will begin by verifying prerequisites, GTM container access, and the GA4 measurement ID. Once confirmed, open GTM and click Tags New to create a GA tag. Choose tag type Google Analytics, GA4 configuration if using GA4, otherwise select Universal Analytics and input the tracking ID. Set trigger to all pages for site-wide tracking. Save the tag and give it a clear name. This ensures data collection starts correctly and makes troubleshooting simpler later. Once your basic tag exists, create a variable for the GA4 measurement ID to avoid repeating it. Next, build event tags for clicks or form submissions. Tag new GA4 event, reference the measurement ID variable, and name the event logically. Configure triggers carefully. Use click all elements or form submission triggers, and refine by CSS selector or form ID. Make sure to enable built-in variables like click text and page URL, so your events have useful parameters when they flow into analytics. Now validate everything. Enter GTM preview mode and open your site. Confirm tags fire and events appear in GA debug view or real time. Once verified, submit and publish the container so changes are live. If events don't appear, first recheck trigger conditions and variable values, then inspect tag sequencing and any consent or blocking scripts. Finally, clear caches or use an incognito window to rule out caching. One key tip: enable detailed debug view to see payloads and quickly pinpoint mismatches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.